Attention med students. Arnav, 22, ER-bound, wheezing, breathless. What's your call? Spot on if you said asthma. Spirometry shows an obstructive pattern, reversible with salbutamol. Triggers, pollen and dust, management, inhaled corticosteroids and relievers. Raj is stable now, but MBBS exams love these cases. Exam tip, always check inhaler technique in OSCs. Want the full asthma breakdown? Pathophysiology, triggers and exam hacks in just 5 minutes. Check out our new video on Stetho Stories. Link in bio. Subscribe and ace your MBBS exams. Tap the link now. #MBBS #Stetho Stories.